45 seconds. There are two types of data. You have to categorize which one is the big data and which one is the traditional data. There is a hint on the screen. Can we have over here? There's a hint on the screen which gives you a hint of what is big data. So within your group on the table, try to find out which one is big data and think of one industry where this big data could be helpful to do little bit of analytics. I'm giving you 45 seconds. Your
Health sector is widely.
Sir, I'll come back to you after 45 seconds.
Okay.
Tweets is the big data.
Okay, so your time is over. We start from that table. Yes, Tapal sir.
Tweets versus annual budget.
Okay.
Tweets is big data.
Why tweets are big data?
That's
Reason?
because a large number of data that's in
Volume, variety, and velocity.
Instagram pictures,
Yes.
photograph of employees on website.
Okay, perfect.
No, this
Big data.
Instagram big data.
Shri ma'am, sorry. When you walk up to them, these other groups will then start talking about
Okay,
this.
okay, fine.
Be there so that you are in control.
Yeah,
of it.
sure. Big data from there. I want your answer.
First one is checkout time of visitors in the mall.
Okay.
Though the number of counts would be higher, but still it will be finite.
Okay.
So according to me, that
Do you think it is finite? Is the time finite?
time is not finite.
So
Time keeps on changing.
keeps on changing. So visitors keeps on coming and going. So it's not finite.
Then in that case, it would be a big data.
There will be a kind of velocity added to that data. People coming and going. Okay.
Will keywords a part of big data?
Very good. Reason?
Reason because we
Can we have little attention over there, please?
because it suffices the three qualities big data has, as you mentioned, volume, variety, and velocity.
Okay.
And list of books in the library is traditional data because, as you mentioned yesterday, it's finite in nature.
It's finite in nature. Perfect. Yes.
FB likes, could be big data.
Yes. Why you say FB like is big data? Support
Because
with your
millions and millions,
millions of
would be
like, and they keep on
huge sites.
increasing.
Yeah, yeah.
That is the main thing.
On a
Just
day-to-day basis.
yeah,
That is infinite in number.
infinite in
Yeah,
number.
whereas salary statements of employees cannot be that.
Cannot be a big data. Please next slide, please. So this is just a snapshot between traditional data and big data. In the current scenario, we have a lot of big data. We all are experiencing a lot of big data daily. We are into the ocean of big data, but we don't realize. The reason being that we are not aware. So nowadays, big data is no rocket science, it is general knowledge. Traditional data, documents, finances, stock records, personal files. These are the traditional data. Personal files when it comes to organization. Your teaching faculty file is a personal file. File of employees, salary statements, all are traditional files.
Facilitate this. So
Madam, what
kind of
is
documents
this?
we know of?
Okay. Can I have some answers from every one of you?
Instagram pictures is big data because it is having all the characteristics. What about photographs of employees on website?
Okay, she's asking what about the photographs of employees on the website? Is
This
it a
is
big
what is
data
there in
or
website.
traditional data?
It is.
It is, I think, traditional data.
Why do you think it is traditional data?
This is all static. Organization
Because it is static.
Static.
It is not increasing
And
daily.
Instagram pictures is the big data.
Yearly it is increasing, maybe 2 years, new person is coming to the organization, joining, and then there is an addition.
No, but according to this thing, photographs is coming in big data, no? What?
See, ma'am, just a little bit of confusion over here. Here, big data photographs are catering to the photograph that we are posting daily on the social media.
Social media, okay.
And on the
Fine.
various channels where we are sharing those pictures.
Yes, understood.
Like Twitter is, information is shared on various sites like Tweegram and
Yes.
many.
Yes, understood.
Audio, video which we are adding through WhatsApp. Is it a big data?
Yes.
Yes or no?
All right, Shruti ma'am,
Yes.
let me hear you close this.
Yes. So now your tomorrow's exercises, when we are meeting tomorrow, I want each one of you to analyze that big data, the example of big data, with the kind of data which is coming, how you can classify it, and how you can apply that in any of the industries. Let's take an example of this mall. In the mall, people are coming, right? People are coming. So people are coming and going, but you have to classify on the basis of time. At what time the footfall is higher, at what time the footfall is lesser. When the footfall is lesser, what we have to do? we have to do a little bit of rearrangement. We have to add some kind of promotions during the non-peak hours so that people come. We are trying to manage the crowd. So that is how we try to use big data and this technology, and we try to maximize profit.
Right. Coach, please share feedback.
Shruti, your starting was absolutely connecting with the crowd, with the students out here, and you went on to the topic immediately, and everybody understood the way this JIT has been distributed, and the differentiators are very clearly stated out. The 3 points that variety, velocity, and volume, you discussed very well.
Thank you, sir.
Went out, came out very clearly. Maybe because of the time shortage, questioning would have been a little more than